comes down with a 1-1 record, taking on the Miami Dolphins, who are sitting on top of the Houston division with a 2-2 record. And put it all going out tonight on NBC. Miami's a big event town. This is where back and forth, you know, with the rivalry between these two teams. It's going to be crazy. If you're coming out here, make sure you're wearing orange. And, of course, when the Dolphins defense is on the field, make sure you're howling. The new phrase of the season is feed the wolf. Feed the wolf and make sure you're howling. Of course, my man Zach Thomas is going to be out there doing the coin toss, and it's crazy out here right now. Activities are outside the Sunlight Stadium. Look, it is a big event. Miami's a big event town. Then, Sunlight Stadium is a place to be. I'm going to be all over the TV, so look for me at 6154. We're going to be a big South